I'll be right back, Ava. Nemo, do you want to see the new decorations? Just don't bite them, okay? Don't bite them. There you go, buddy. Don't bite the decorations. Just walk around and you can look at it. Pretty boy. You say Merry Christmas to everybody, huh? Yeah. One bite and they can ruin the whole string of lights. You see the kids running around? Yeah, the kids are running around. Are the kids running around? Yes, they are. Say hello and Merry Christmas to everybody. Merry Christmas, everybody. We're not done decorating, but it's really cold outside, but the kids are out there, aren't they? Yeah, the kids are out there. Okay, let's go get Ava. Hi, Ava. Oh, it smells like pumpkin pie because we got a pumpkin pie in the oven. Yep, my little Kush wanted to be a cook today. Good boy. Okay, come here. Let's walk through. Want to walk through the living room with me? Okay, let's do it. Hi. Hi. You want to go look at the pretty lights? What are those? Yeah. Yeah, look at the pretty lights. Say Merry Christmas. You want to step down? No, she doesn't want to step down. Say hi. Yeah, hi. Hi to the lights and hi to the pillows. You a good girl? I'm a good girl. Everybody loves Ava. So after Christmas, their big cages will come back in here for the remainder of the winter so they can have more entertainment and be closer to us. And that, as you see in previous videos, their cages are in here after Christmas. There's more room, and we play the TVs for them all day long so they can watch things when they can't be out of their cage or with me. So once Christmas is over, we'll have more room. So Ava's cage goes there, and Nemo's cage goes there, and that's why the shower curtains are up there for poop and stuff. They usually poop directly down, but it's better to have those wall protections just in case, huh? Yeah. Are you a good girl?